Engineer Sri P. Chandrasekharan, the illustrious founder and the dynamic force behind Chandvina Trust, is fondly remembered today, 30th December 2020. He left the mortal world to merge with the immortality on the 30th of December 2015. Words can never express the depth of the remorse caused by his loss. Sri P. Chandrasekharan worked in KGF for nearly 25 years and then at Dalmiapuram, Trichy and Tamil, Trichy. May we say he lived on earth, now he resides in heaven. We remember with love and great fondness our beloved founder and endeavor to say a few words about him as a tribute to the stalwart. The second deepest mine in the world, Champion Reefs, KGF. Every little rock and pebble would have a story to tell about the glory of the miners, the sons of the soil who added grace to the environment. The soil of KGF is enriched not because of its gold, but because of the honest sweat, diligence, determination, and courage of the innumerable unsung heroes. Yes, real life heroes, most of them of the yesteryears, perhaps lie in a 6 feet grave, chuckling silently. Hi, just 6 feet to bury me? A miner who simply sailed down to a depth of 10,000 feet just like that to earn a day's bread? God bless all those departed souls, the real men whom none can surpass. Leading his crew with the utmost care, my father, Sri P. Chandrasekharan, surged forward with such positivity that no other profession could boast of, and that too in the most hazardous conditions and impending dangerous traps. Winding through the mysterious caverns, treacherous rock bursts, pitfalls unimaginable to an ordinary man, my father used to say, the mines may be dingy, not our hearts. We used to go with a song in our hearts. The hope radiated by each face illuminated the dark gold caverns and spread the warmth of comradeship and togetherness in the pitch dark gaping mines. My father's words still ring in my ears. There's nothing such as caste, creed, or community, dear child. When you are trapped underground, waiting indefinitely for a spark of hope, the value and depth of humanity engulf the entire mind. Nothing else matters. We are bound by the golden link of companionship and oneness as human beings. Ulla pona pinam, mela vanda panam was a popular saying those days. My father used to say, no silver screen hero would dare to stand before the guts, pluck, and courage of a single miner with just a loincloth and a lone candle, preparing to take the worst calamity in all calmness, dignity, and undaunted courage. Tug, pull, heave, hoist. Aila Jora, Ilda Nala, Mamti Munji, Bucket Voya. Can you imagine these punches while facing a sure death trap? Do the punches still echo in the deep caverns of the mines? Laughter and jokes in spite of the impending danger. Who are these warriors, if not our KGFians? These unsung heroes taught us the philosophy of living in practical reality. The chivalry, hilarious crew led by my father braced itself to face challenges and surge forward in quest of gold. Just one more step. Don't lose hope. Don't give up. See, we are near the man trapped under the rock. Come on, heave, pull, push. You can, you must, you will. And here we go. A big heave, and the man trapped in the rock burst is rescued and is safe. Who are these warriors, if not our KGFians? Innumerable workers worked under me with tons of confidence, bravery, and courage in their hearts, but not a single penny in their pockets, my dad used to say with sadness and great pride. Just an hour before his departure, my father said he remembered KGF and he said, I must do something for them. Each one of them is very precious to me. If I get out of bed, I would conjure up many solid schemes and plans to put KGF back into shape and try to restore its past glory, but now I am drifting into sleep. My dear father drifted into a sleep which others call death, but it is a deep slumber. Let every piece of gold in all its luster reflect the sacrifice and magnanimity of a KGFN mine worker and radiate the sad but sweet smile.